Hey, what's up everybody? Thank you for coming back once again for another mystery box unboxing. Today we do have another one from Supremacy. I think the total after shipping and all that was about $630. So let's go ahead and get right into it right after this. So like I said earlier, we do have a box from Supremacy. Thank you once again, Jimmy. Like I said before in my other videos, he kind of hooked me up as my membership is still kind of getting added into the rotation. So I'm definitely glad to get another one. The last box we put two together. This one is gonna be a solo dolo. I love that song, Kid Cudi. Anyways, other than that, if you guys are interested in anything that I am opening today, you guys can go ahead and check the link in the description box down below for my eBay page, or also you can hit me up on Instagram at The Real Sneak Peek. That will also be in the description page down below. So other than that, let's go ahead and get straight into it. So if you're new to the channel, I just want to say thank you guys for stopping by. But every time we always do this on Sneak Peek, I always want to give you guys a sneak peek. So there you go. All right, the first pair, we do have a loose shoe. It is a pair of Element 87 Reacts, or I might be saying that wrong, but these used to be a hot shoe, but now they're kind of duds sitting around going for retail, below retail. So these are definitely used. Soles are dirtied up, not too bad. It'll be easy clean for these. But yeah, these are pretty basic, nothing really wrong with them. So it'll probably be something that probably goes for like 60, 80 bucks. These are a size 10.5, so definitely a chill shoe, especially during the summertime. Last time we did get a box just like this, a W-Taps Vans collaboration. So these are a size 11, very similar to the last pair that we got, except the other pair was like a pair of the old schools. Yeah, old schools. So these ones, we do have a pair of the slip-ons, your very classic slip-on with the black rubber outsole. These are dead stock, very high quality. I'm touching it like this because I don't want my dirty fingers to dirty up the suede, but hopefully they go for a decent amount. All right, so the next one out is a pair of Ultra Boost in a size 10. It says LTD, and awesome. These are actually pretty cool. We got a pair of olive Ultra Boost. These look like the 4.0 colorway or style, I'm not sure, but these look almost dead stock. They look like they were worn maybe one time. So they are pretty much VNDS, passes dead stock, very near dead stock, whatever you want to call it. So this will probably be a very simple shoe, but Boost actually goes by pretty fast because to the general public, it's just a very comfortable shoe. And if you can get it below the hefty price of $180, they'll probably do it. So not another bad pickup. And we have this Jordan box off to the side. It is a size 8.5, and we do have a pair of Jordan 5s. Boom. So these are, I think these are called the green beans. It kind of sucks because they don't have the lace lock, but these are definitely beaters. I can clean them up a little bit, but shoes like this are harder to fix. The soles are super yellow, so it's a cool shoe, but definitely beater, so they'll probably go for the low. We got a couple more older box Jordans, another size 8.5, a Jordan 4 Retro. Boom. Oh, these, I actually really like this shoe, even though the shoe is super beat up right now, but these are a pair of the military 4s. These are rumored to come out again, so hopefully I can get rid of these fast, but the soles honestly aren't that bad, but it's the paint chipping, it's the yellowing, it's even like the thing is broken over here. I don't know how I'm gonna get rid of this, but hopefully someone will take it off my hands to restore them and bring them back to beauty, because I can only do so much with shoes. So we'll go ahead and see what that adds to the counter. Still cool to see it in a box though. We have another older Jordan box right here, size 8.5, another Jordan 4 Retro. And boom, right here we got a pair of the Mars 4. So right there on the side, you see that it's Mars with that little stamp, but the soles are used, but like I said, like the last pair, the soles aren't the problem. It's the paint chipping. It is, these ones luckily aren't that yellow because of the red and the black. They don't really yellow, so it looks a lot cleaner on the uppers. So these ones actually might get me a decent amount just because it is kind of a sought after shoe and people usually do restorations on the bottom for the paint. Another cool shoe, another 8.5. So we got 3 shoes left. This is a size 8.5 Jordan 12 retro this time. And boom.
Passes it to the man, shoots it, and boom goes the dynamite.
I love this pair. So this is a pair of the Jordan 12 in the Obsidian colorway. And so this one is definitely an older pair. Jordan 12s are one of the most comfortable and also one of the most well-built shoes. They're built like tanks. The only problem is sometimes they do have yellowing or cracking on these little tabs. But other than that, these are actually really solid. There's no sole separation. So these should get me at least above $100. So definitely not a bad pickup right here. All right, we got 2 shoes left and a very similar shoe that we had just in our last box. We do have a pair of Nike Blazer mids in a size 13. And we have another one of these patchwork Blazers. So definitely just a shoe I'm trying to get rid of quick and probably gonna put for the low again. They are dead stock, so that's not bad. Size 13, it's a little bit harder. These Blazers always fit weird too, but it's still a cool shoe. I liked all the patches, so we'll see how that does. So last shoe in this box is a Air Jordan 1 low in a size 11. All right, guys, I might keep these. I don't know. I'm scared. Is it something good? Oh, okay, so I thought it was gonna be like a pair of Chicago's or Breads or Royals, but we do got some Royal Toe Jordan 1 lows. So these aren't bad. They're dirty, but they will clean up pretty easily. The soles are not bad. They actually have a lot of life. It's honestly just a dirty shoe. So this is one of those easy cleanups and the shoe's gonna look like a 9 out of 10 when I'm done with these. So it'll probably add another like 100, 150 bucks, unless if these somehow went up in price, but I don't know. So definitely not a bad shoe, but this collection was very interesting. Something, I don't know what the money shoe is in here or if they're all just kind of decent shoes that will kind of all moderately flip for around like 100 bucks. And so it adds up to a lot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pairs of shoes for $630. Over here, we did have a counter. You probably saw it growing list by list. So this is the total market value that we have for this box. This is how much the box cost. And this is how much profit we're actually gonna make from this box. So I don't know, you tell me if this was a good box or a bad box. I don't know yet, I gotta do my homework. I don't know all the prices right off the top of my head, but we should yield about a blank percentage return on investment. So if it's over 20, then we did a good job and it's not too bad. And hopefully these will kind of move quicker. I think OfferUp actually not gonna be a bad place to sell all this stuff. So thank you guys again for checking out the channel. If you guys like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe. If you like this kind of new background dish, let me know, comment down below, let me know, or I can move back inside, it doesn't matter. I just kind of felt like being back inside was kind of like not as much of a hype background, whatever, but who cares, it was really clean. So I just wanna say that I appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys are still watching with me and watching all the way through, you guys are really helping out the channel. If you guys can take another step and help out, make sure to leave a like. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. I got more content all the way, different kinds of content too. So just wanna say thank you again, stay blessed, stay safe, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.